The AI education boom, bridging the theory-practice gap in 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's transforming education. From virtual classrooms to prestigious IIT-certified programs, learners worldwide are scrambling to decode the language of machines. But here's the twist, the focus is shifting from abstract theories to real-world problem-solving, mentorship, and unleashing creativity. Whether you're a newcomer grappling with the math behind machine learning or a business leader navigating the ethical application of AI, the key lies in bridging the gap between knowledge and practical implementation. And this is where these 10 AI courses of 2025 truly shine. 1. MachineHack, Grok Real-Time AI Agent Hackathon. Ready to dive into the world of high-speed AI? The Grok Real-Time AI Agent Hackathon, https://machinehack.com/groq-hackathon, challenges developers to build multi-agent systems that tackle real-world problems across healthcare, finance, and more. Using Grok's lightning-fast inference and model context protocol, MCP, participants design agents capable of intelligent reasoning and seamless tool integration. Think GitHub repositories, live demos, and videos showcasing innovation, all competing for prizes like Grok API credits. But here's where it gets controversial: can hackathons truly foster production-ready solutions, or are they just glorified coding competitions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. 2. Andrew Ng's Machine Learning Specialization, Coursera. Andrew Ng's Machine Learning course, https://www.coursera.org/specialization/machine-learning-introduction, is the OG of AI education. With its comprehensive coverage of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, it's a must for beginners. Ng's simple, math-backed explanations and Python octave coding exercises make it accessible yet deeply insightful. But is it still the best starting point in 2025, or have newer courses surpassed its relevance? Weigh in below. 3. Adasci Agentic AI System Architect Certification. The Adasci Certified Agentic AI System Architect Program, https://adasci.org/certified-agent-IC-RE-system-architect-program, is a game-changer for professionals. This vendor-neutral, globally recognized certification focuses on designing and governing autonomous AI systems. With hands-on experience using tools like LangGraph and OpenAI Agents SDK, it's perfect for AI or ML pros and digital leaders. But here's the catch: does a lifetime certification truly keep pace with AI's rapid evolution? Share your opinions. 4. Andrej Karpathy's Neural Networks, Zero to Hero. Andrej Karpathy's free YouTube series, https://www.youtube.com/playlist?list=PLQHIRJKXBUWI23V9CTHSA9GVCARVKZ, is a treasure trove for deep learning enthusiasts. The former Tesla AI director breaks down complex topics like transformers and micrograd coding in a playful, intuitive way. But is YouTube the best platform for structured learning, or does it lack the rigor of traditional courses? Let's debate. 5. DeepLearning.ai's Data Analytics Professional Certificate, Coursera. This Coursera certification, https://www.coursera.org/learn/generative-AI-for-everyone, blends classical analytics with generative AI, teaching learners to extract actionable insights from raw data using Python and SQL. Each module features real-world datasets and AI-generated storytelling. But does its focus on job readiness sacrifice depth for breadth? Your thoughts? 6. IIT Guwahati, Generative AI Data Analytics Program. IIT Guwahati's hybrid program, https://onlinecourses.eictlitg.com/gen-re-data-analytic-course, combines generative AI tools like ChatGPT with advanced data analytics, fostering both creativity and analytical rigor. An IIT certification adds undeniable credibility, but is the hybrid format as effective as in-person learning? Share your experiences. 7. IBM AI Courses, Coursera. IBM's modular Coursera courses, https://www.coursera.org/professional-certificates/RE-engineer, cover everything from AI fundamentals to applied ML, with practical labs using IBM's tools. It's ideal for continuous upskilling, but are IBM's proprietary tools limiting for learners exploring diverse AI ecosystems? Let us know. 8. Harvard's Computer Science for Artificial Intelligence, edX. Harvard's edX course, https://www.edx.org/professional-certificate/computer-science-for-artificial-intelligence, offers a deep dive into AI algorithms, logic, and probabilistic models. Its rigorous academic approach bridges computer science fundamentals with AI problem solving. But is such a theoretical focus practical for industry-bound learners? Join the discussion. 9. SWAYAM AI for All. SWAYAM's AI for All initiative, https://swayam+.swayam2.ac.in/re-for-all-courses, democratizes AI education with free, credit-eligible courses on topics like AI in physics, cricket analytics, and more. Each 25 to 45-hour course emphasizes practical skills, but does its broad accessibility dilute the depth of learning? Share your perspective. 10. 3 Blue 1 Brown. Grant Sanderson's 3 Blue 1 Brown, https://www.youtube.com/c/3 Blue 1 Brown, simplifies RE's mathematical foundations through visually stunning animations. From neural networks to LLMs, it's a beginner's paradise. But can visual explanations truly replace traditional textbooks? We'd love to hear your take. Final thoughts, the AI learning landscape in 2025. As AI continues to reshape industries, these courses highlight the growing demand for practical, hands-on learning. But with so many options, how do you choose the right path? And more importantly, can any course truly keep up with RE's breakneck pace? Let's spark a conversation. Comment below with your favorite AI learning resource or your biggest question about the future of AI education.